Today's video is comparing UK versus US crochet terminology, and this is because the same crochet technique has a different name depending on whether you are following a crochet pattern which is written in UK or US terminology. So I'm going to show you how to do different crochet techniques, and I'm going to write down what the name for that crochet technique is in UK and US terminology. The first one I'm going to be showing you is the UK double crochet, which is the US single crochet. So what you want to do is to put your hook in the chain where you want it, and then put your yarn over, and then pull it through, and then yarn over again, and then pull through both those two loops on the hook. So I'll show you again. You put your hook in the chain, then yarn over, and then pull it through, and then yarn over again, and then pull through those two loops. And the next one is UK-treble crochet, known as US double crochet. And for this one, you want to put your yarn over your hook and then put it into the chain that you want, yarn over again and pull through, then yarn over and pull through two, and yarn over and pull through two again. So that's yarn over, put through the chain that you want, yarn over again, and then yarn over and pull through the first two, and yarn over and pull through the last two. So next we're moving on to the half treble crochet for UK terminology, or the half double crochet for the US. Now for this, you put your yarn over your hook, then you put it into the chain you want, yarn over again, and then yarn over and pull through the three loops on your hook. So that's yarn over, put through the chain you want, yarn over again and pull through, and then yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook. Next we've got the UK double treble, or the US triple crochet. So for this, you're going to put yarn over your hook twice, and then insert into a chain, then yarn over again and pull through, and now you're going to do yarn over again and pull through two loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the next two loops, and yarn over and pull through the last two loops. So that's yarn over twice, and then put into the chain, yarn over again and pull through, yarn over and pull through the first two loops, yarn over and the next two loops, and yarn over and the last two loops. So next we've got the UK triple treble, also known as the US double treble. For this, you're going to put your yarn over your hook, and you're going to do that 3 times, and then put into the chain that you want, and then yarn over again and pull through, and you can see there's 5 loops on my hook, and then yarn over and pull through the first 2, and then yarn over and pull through the next 2, and then yarn over and pull through the next 2 after that, and yarn over and pull through the next 2. So I'll show you again. So that's 3 times round the hook, you're wrapping the yarn, and then put into the chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and then pull through once and twice and a 3rd time, and then final 4th time. Now the last one I'm going to show you is a slip stitch, which is abbreviated differently for both the terminologies. So for this one, you want to put your hook in the chain and then put your yarn over, and then you're going to put it through. So I'll show you again. Just put your hook into the chain, put your yarn over, pull through once, and then pull through again. So that is the end of this video, and I hope it's given you a better understanding between UK and US crochet terminology. So look out for more videos coming soon, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.